Look at this environment. What a mesmerizing ambience. Right now I'm having, after coming here, it's Narsingdi. Alhamdulillah, finally I have come here. I am on a mission to visit 64 districts in Bangladesh. At the same time, speak English, no Bengali. As I'm an English teacher, I must speak English. Yes. No. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another exciting video of Mehedi Hassan, an English content creator in Bangladesh. I am on a mission to help millions of people speak English with confidence, speak English confidently, spontaneously, at the same time, grammatically. If you are able to speak in English, you will be able to get a good job, inshallah. But it should be grammatically correct. Your pronunciation should be correct. Lexical resource should be improved, developed, enhanced. On the other hand, the way you speak English in a public place, it should be all right. Right now, I'm standing in front of the academic building of Narsingdi Government College, which is located at Narsingdi district. Look at this, some departments together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-story building. The college is 5-story. Right? Bishop Began Accounting Department, Narsingdi Government College. Above my head, there is Islamic Studies Department, Accounting Department, then Finance and Banking Department. Look at this, Department of English. So right now I am taking a challenge to avoid my shyness. I'm going to speak in English in a public place. On my left, there are some girls who are sitting. On my right, there are some children or babies who are playing football, cricket. In front of me, there is a football team. Maybe there was a match between two teams in this college, right? And the winner team, they are now celebrating as they have won the match, right? They are now taking pictures with the cup and badges. This is how life is going on. Oh my God, I'm depressed. I'm down in the dumps. Still you are sad. Why, man? You should be developing your spoken English. Everybody is able to speak in English nowadays. Speaking English in a public place isn't a child's play. It needs determination, dedication. But first of all, you have to be passionate. And secondly, you have to be determined. Apart from that, consistent. You should have these qualities. And then it's predicted that you will be able to speak in English. It's easy to describe. This is a spectacles. I'm going to wear it. This is a cap. I'm wearing it. I have worn a muffler and my ID card. Every sentence is very easy. So why aren't you speaking English? You aren't because you don't want to speak. This is an enormous area, an open field. People can play cricket. Not only cricket, but also football. On the other hand, they can walk and run. It's kind of exercise. There are many colleges in our country that don't have any open fields. So it's a great place, I think. Right. So thank you very much for watching my video. Keep improving your spoken English. English is the only one way to connect. It is the ticket to connect with the world. If you can't speak in English, how will you connect with the world? Right. So now the ball is in your court. Improve it or kick it. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.